Hello and welcome back to Jason's Macintosh Museum. This is part 2 in the video series on the Macintosh LC III from 1993. In this video we're going to start the LC3 up and, as always, show a couple of old Macintosh games. So as you can see, we have a keyboard, mouse and monitor hooked up to the LC3. We've got the 14-inch Macintosh colour display up here. We've got the Apple Keyboard 2 down here, and over here we have the Apple ADB mouse. So to start up the LC3, we need to use the power switch on the back because the LC Pizza Box series of machines don't support soft power. So first of all, we'll turn the monitor on. So let that warm up for a second. And now we'll switch on. Okay, we now have the Macintosh LC3 up and running, so let's have a quick look at the system software. So on this Mac we're running System 7.6.1 with 36 megabytes of memory. So in fact this LC3 is running the latest system software that it can run with the maximum amount of memory that it can handle. So this is a fully spec'd up LC3. I should also mention that because the LC3 has had its video RAM expanded, if I go to the monitor's control panel, I have the option of thousands of colours, which I don't have without the VRAM expansion. So let's try a couple of games. So the first one we're going to try is called Cyberopoly, which is really a .com version of Monopoly, as you'll discover. Yes, registered copy. Yes, thank you. So, if you look closely at all the different properties that you normally find on a Monopoly board, they're all technology-related companies. You've got Sony, Panasonic, Philips, Xerox, Kodak, Adobe, HP, Compaq, Dell, Symantec, Intuit, iOmega, and Umax. And the age of this game is really is shown up in the fact that you have some companies like Hotbot and Lycos, who certainly are not around today. And notice as well, of course, you've got the Department of Justice down here. Earthlink, well, I think Earthlink are still around, but they certainly don't use a dial-up service anymore. Alta Vista, well, they're long gone. Free browser. America Online, well, I think they're still around, but certainly not using dial-up. Anyway, let's start a new game. No, no, I'm not Steve Jobs. So, and I'll play against Bill Gates. What the hell? Done. My turn. Roll dice. Metro Works. Don't know who they are, but... And notice as well the property card. Rather than paying rent based on number of properties or number of houses built, you've got the number of patents. So it's very it's a very .com style of game. Yeah, we'll purchase that. Bill Gates buys into it for $100. Roll. Kodak. Yeah, I'll buy that for $180. Seems like a good price. He buys Hewlett Packard. Oh, we're buying up big here. The shareware sales. Ah, very nice. Oh, have I landed on? Must have landed on the community chest or no? Oh, doubles. Ah, I get to roll again. Haha. Motorola. Ooh, yes, I'll buy that. Bill Gates buys Panasonic. Oh, he's got more money than I do right now. Blackmail if you're ready. Oh, that's fine by me. If I get the 50. Compaq. Yes. I'll buy that. The ISP. Oh, I see. The utilities are now internet service providers. Ah, I see. Both ISPs are in the... Adobe. Yes, I'll have that. Oh, he's already round the board once. Ooh. Philips. Yes, I'll buy that. I don't think I've gone around the board yet, have I? I think I'm still up here. Oh, Bill's over here. He's already gone around the board once. What's taking me so long? Oh, gotta watch the money here. Yeah, I'll buy Netscape, yes. He's already lapped me around the board. Wow. Oh, this is not good. He's always rolling doubles. Huh. Well, get me around the board. Macworld, yes. Bill Gates is low on money. We're both low on money. I get to buy Microsoft from Bill Gates. How nice. Except I can't afford it. Ah. Get me past go. Yay! Ah. Alright, well I'll definitely pay 10%, thank you very much. Oh! Bill Gates is in the Department of Justice. Oh, what a shame. Yes, I'll buy that. I can't afford that. Bill Gates declines to buy Microsoft. No one's paying each other much rent at the moment. Bill Gates buys Mac Addict. Interesting. No, I can't afford it. Oh, I'd love to purchase Apple, but I can't afford it. I don't want to mortgage anything yet. Ah, Microsoft Bob. Anyone remember that? Advanced token to Microsoft. No, no, I'd like to, but I can't. Oh, I've got to pay him rent. Oh. They're charging a fee for technical support. Oh, very good. Oh, Bill Gates pays income tax. Tax evasion? What? Oh, get out of here. Not much happening here at the moment. Might need to... I think I'll start mortgaging some stuff. Let's make this interesting. Oh. Like, oh, okay. Ah, interesting. In Monopoly, you don't normally have a negative balance or a debit. Okay. I need to mortgage something then, I presume. Oh, great. I'll pay the 10%. Oh, is that 10% of your total worth? That was 10% of your cash balance. Oh, great. I'm in debt again. So I've got to mortgage something. What do I own? Can't remember now. Oh, Mortgage Phillips. Ah. $100 inheritance. Yeah, I'll take that. Yeah, not much really going on. I think we might just do a few more rounds and then call it quits, I think. Yes. Let's get into some debt now. So now I've got... Oh, I have a Monopoly of Group 7. Yay! But I have to mortgage something. What else do I own? We'll mortgage that. And I'm still in debt. Okay. I've got a monopoly on those. Oh, that one's mortgaged anyway. Oh, what the hell is mortgaged that as well? Seem to be landing on properties that we already own. He's getting a lot of doubles. Ooh, Monopoly on Group 1. Ooh. Oh. Okay, I see what he's doing. Right. I might do the same on mine. Can I do that? Yes, I can. Let's buy some patents. Oh, they're mortgaged, so I can't, of course, I can't. Ooh. That's not good. Ooh. Does Bill Gates own the nearest publication? Oh, great, he does. Uh-oh. Oh, what the hell. Right, what can I mortgage? Still not enough. Still not enough. Still not enough. I'm still $6 short. Oh, come on. I think I've got almost everything mortgaged now. Oh, I've got to sell. Okay, sell patent. New picture tube technology advanced to picture tube. Little old hat, isn't it? Yes. I'll buy that. Ah, Bill Gates is in debt now. Haha. Well, he was. Ah. Huh. Pay 50. Woohoo! I'm actually trying to get myself in debt so the game's over, but I can't seem to do it. So I'm gonna spend up big. Now what can I'll mortgage that. Ah, great. Ah, I get $200 again. Ooh. Excellent. It's fine, no matter what I do, I'm still in the game. I don't know how, I'm still in the game. Ah, fine. Ralph Nader. Ah, yes. Oh. Get me out. Oh, this game, it's I can't seem to. I'm just. No matter what I do, I seem to be getting more money. I think this game's a little boring now, so I think we'll quit now and move on to something else. Okay, well the next game we're going to try is dynamic video poker, as opposed to static video poker. Not quite sure what the difference is there, but let's see how dynamic it really is. Right, so I'm gonna let's go max. There we go. Yeah, let me think. What am I gonna hold? I think I'll hold. Not much there at all. I think I'll hold the ace. Maybe the 8. Let's go. Huh. Nothing. Next. Ooh, hello, Jacksaw better. Ooh, I might hold these. No, get something back. Now we've got 2 pair at least. There's no sound I've noticed. Ah, that's probably why. Now we got some sound. Let's see. Not much there. Nope. Well, the chance we get a... I think we'll just hold the 5s. Ooh, hello. Hey! Not much there. Might keep because they're consecutive. Nope. Ooh, okay. Ooh, yes. On the chair, on the. I hope we get a 6 on the next draw. Nope. I think I should mention I'm hopeless at playing poker, as you can probably tell. Ooh, what do with this? Nah, let's just draw them all again. Nope. I'm wondering what this control down here is. Not sure. Let's crank it all the way down. Gee, what have we got here? We've got different games. Ah, okay. I wonder what the advisor is going to tell me to do. Hold the pair of 5s, draw. Yep, that makes sense. It didn't do me any good. Well, thanks a lot. So much for the advisor. Oh, that must be the speed at which the cards are dealt. Ah, okay. We'll crank that back up. Hold the pair of 6s. Not sure that's the right spelling. 6. Well, maybe it is actually, but I always thought it was ES. Anyway. Nope. Hey, 2 pair. Hold the 3-card double inside diamond straight flush. Which I presume is that. Nope, no good. Okay, I was going to hold the 6, 7, and 8. Ace of hearts and the... Okay, well, let's try it. Ah, nothing. It's another game we can try. All American. I wonder how that works. Looks the same to me. But you... Oh, well, let's just... What else have we got? 5-deck Frenzy. I wonder what that is. Ah, but you're playing with more than one deck. Ah, nah, I'm not going to do much there, am I? I'm losing badly. Well, I think that's about it. Okay, now I'm going to try one more game. Now I'm not sure if I've actually played this one before, but I'm not sure, but I'm going to try it again. Super Mack Man. Now, let's get the keyboard set up. Actually, I think I just use the arrow keys for this. Let's try it. Oh, do I? Start. Oh, I'm up there. Right. How did... Aha! That's it. Oh, where's the sound? There we go. Ah, I'm not picking anything up now. You know, notice I'm the Mac and the PC is after me. Of course. It sounds a little repetitive. Ah! Oops. Gotta get him out of there. Come on, come out of there. That's it. Woohoo! Oops. What was I thinking? There you go, in that way. Ah. Oh. So wait until I can... Oh, there we go. Ah, didn't get the bonus. Oh. Oh, I did. I wonder if I can speed this game up a bit. It's a little slow at the moment. No, I can't. Oops. Oh, what did I do that for? Design maze. Oh, okay. Ah, interesting. If I can put... I have to do it for each one, have I? Well, let's see what happens if if we run with that. Oh, it didn't save my changes. Ah. Ah, okay. Ah, never mind. That's Pac-Man or MacMan. That's pretty much all there is to it. Well, I think it's time to quit. Alright, so let's shut down. So, that was a demonstration of the Macintosh LC III from 1993. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.